About oil, we have got yesterday's statement from Commission that they are ready to provide new regulation in a due time. And we expect this regulation, and we have, of course, a little bit of knowledge what could content this regulation, but this is up to Commission. So because we didn't receive documents yet, but there is. In our document, there is expressed the wish of Parliament that this kind of regulation has to occur. About nuclear, we didn't touch especially this point, but I think this is a next step also. And about the voting in the European Parliament, looking at our shadows, who represents all other political groups than us, I would say I have big confidence that this will be big majority, because there were almost no objections to our work and to this regulation as it looks now.